Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, unplug the microwave and confirm there's no power at the outlet because you will be working near charged parts. Once safe, take a Phillips and flat screwdriver, a multimeter, gloves, and a soft brush. These tools let you access and test the board. Remove the outer case screws and lift the case straight back. This exposes the control chassis and button assembly. You do this to see the membrane, microswitches, and ribbon cable. Knowing their positions speeds troubleshooting and prevents accidental damage. Once the case is off, inspect the start button area. Look for torn membrane, misaligned pads, dirty contacts, or a loose ribbon cable. You should use your multimeter on continuity while pressing the start button to see if the microswitch or PCB trace closes. This shows whether the problem is electrical or mechanical. If continuity fails only intermittently, clean the contact surfaces with isopropyl and a soft brush, and check solder joints and the ribbon connector. Because poor contact or a crack trace, you finish by replacing or reseating the ribbon cable and securing the membrane. If a microswitch is faulty, desolder and swap it for an identical part. This fixes most start button failures. Once repaired, reassemble the case, plug the unit back in, and test with a cup of water for 10 to 15 seconds to confirm heating and button function. If it still won't start, make sure the internal fuse and door interlocks are intact. If those are fine and the problem persists, call a qualified appliance technician.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.